Hello, if you are using website on desktop or laptop screen, here is the way how to use them. First, when you open the website, there will be a pop-up where here you can put your email to subscribe. If you do not want, you can close the button from to close down the pop-up. First, here are the categories. You can see the main categories and subcategories, and here is the other categories. So, whatever product you need to like we need inserted and mill. We can go there and where what like we need APMT16 dia cutter. Then we come here, we check the dimensions here. If you need another variation, you click from here size and you have the variations here. And if you click the variation, the picture will change. It may take a moment to change the picture. Here you can see the length is 250 and the pockets and diameter and the shank diameter and the suitable Torx key, suitable screw and suitable insert is mentioned there. You can choose the quantity as you need. If you need 2, 3 or 4 or 5 numbers, you can add to cart. When you add to cart, a small pop-up will appear in which you have two options. You can view cart and you can check out, or you can also close. Even if you close, the items you added to cart will remain in the cart. So we here close it and we'll go to another item. We can also search here, like if we need ear collet, we can search here ear collet and we can click and we will find there are the collet section has opened. If you need ER32 collet, you can go there, select the size you need and you can add to cart, and we can come to the view cart. Here we also have option to change the quantity or remove the product we need, and we can continue shopping to go to the store again. And there is one option this here, as you need a B2B invoice, means you need a GST input, so you can put your company's name here and GST number here. After that you can proceed to checkout. When we proceed to checkout, here is the email number or mobile number you can put here, and here is you can put your address, and here is another option again for the GST number if you want GST, and here all the details, and you can save this information for next time to easily check out, and you can continue to shopping. When you continue to shopping, you need to put the number here, put it. We can continue to shopping. When we continue to shopping, we'll come to the checkout page. Here is the option for the payment. There is a order above 2000 rupees is free COD. This means is it is a COD order and you get no charges. But if the order is less than 2000 value, you will see a 49 rupees charges at this column. We'll also show you by reducing the value of one item, then you will see how COD option will appear. We'll go to back, we'll remove the costly item and make the order, like we delete this item and the order value is now 250. Now we go to checkout and we'll see the COD option. Let's see, you can see the prepaid orders up to 500 rupees this 49 rupees charges, while above 500 rupees there is no shipping charges. And here is the COD option. You get a free COD option of 2000 rupees order, but you need to select it from here. Here you can put the gift card, promo code or discount code available with you and apply. That will be deducted from there. We can try it. See, we put the discount coupon and here we get the 50 rupees discount. And here we can continue to payment, and when we continue to payment, there are some other options if we have selected cash on delivery, there will be no other option because we completed order by COD. But if we don't select COD option, we go back and show you how. If we select the prepaid order and continue to payment, we'll get the payment option like Razor Pay. There are, you can pay by the net banking, wallets and credit cards, and when we click this, we complete the order. If you have a different billing address, you can put it here and you get the option to put a different billing address other than shipping address. And when we complete the order, you'll get the options for making payment. Here we see here the net banking options, the cards option and the wallets options also there. And you can pay here and complete the order. You will get the SMS for your payment and dispatch, and whenever you will get the goods. Thanks for watching this.